Hello children, here I am explaining the format of writing an article. What's an article? Article is a piece of writing that focuses on collection of ideas of the writer on a particular topic in an organized manner. It should give opinions and thoughts as well as facts. It is in a less formal style than a report. Following points should be kept in mind while writing an article. Provide a brief introduction to the topic. It can be general. Gradually, move to description covering all aspects of the topic. Conclude the article with a suitable suggestion, keeping in mind the points discussed in the main body. Here is the format of writing an article. First of all, there should be a topic or a title for an article. That's very important. After writing the topic or title, underline it. Next is byline. That means by name of the writer. You should write the word by, then the name of the writer. Then body or the content. It includes 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is the introduction. It carries 30 to 40 words. Second paragraph is the description part. That means it's the main body of the article and it includes 70 to 80 words. Third paragraph is the conclusion part and it should be of 20 to 30 words. Here I am giving you a sample article. Here's a question. Look at the picture below. It focuses on how youth can participate in the cleanliness of the country. Based on this and your ideas, write an article in about 100 to 150 words on role of youth in cleanliness program. So, the question is given. We are going to write the article. The same headline is being written. Role of youth in cleanliness program. That should be the topic or that should be the title. Underline the title. Then by XYZ, that means byline. The name of the person who writes the article should be written there. By name of the person. Here the introduction. Swachh Bharat Mission or cleanliness program is a huge mass movement which was launched by the Indian government on 2nd October 2014. The success of any program depends on the youth of its nation because youth is considered as the voice and the future of the nation. That's the introduction. Youth is the best bet in us achieving any goal or mission. India needs the power of youth to achieve all her cleanliness and development goals. Without their involvement, nothing can end successfully. Youth may take initiatives in keeping the surroundings clean and green. Amit Abraham has very rightly remarked, clean your mind and our country will automatically get dry cleaned. Youth, which is so energetic and dedicated, can do phenomenal work in making cleanliness a successful campaign. The best way to begin this drive is your home, street, mohalla, locality, city, state, and then the entire nation. Now we are moving to the conclusion part. To sum up all the points, we can say that India has immense youth power which is to be channelized. The entire nation will automatically become clean. So that was a sample format of an article and here I am giving you a question for your practice. The question is, given below is a table with advantages of carpooling. Using ideas from the table and your own ideas, write an article on benefits of carpooling. Some points are given here. By including all the points, write an article.